the bone. Feel like you go to the stone. Cause you flowing on my phone. On the road, baby, I just got control. These nights keep on taking toll. Fuck me out, yeah.
Bukas pangitahin ng ganda'y sa isip lang. Kung bawat ngayon mo sa'yo ay laging sulit lang. Kay ganda ng buhay, bukas mo'y maghihibay. Dahil lang sa tigay ngayon, ituring mong kahapon wari panaginip lang. Ang bukas pangitain ng ganda'y sa isip lang. Kung bawat ngayon mo sa'yo ay laging sulit lang. Kay ganda ng buhay, bukas mo'y matibay. Dahil lang sa tigay ngayon. Kay ganda ng buhay, bukas mo'y matibay.
Asia's Royalty TV Princess for TV hosting, brand endorsement, and gymnastics. Ana Dominique Figueroa. Asia's Royalty TV Princess for children's shows and programming. Royalty Prince for educational TV show, Best Emerging Male Child Personality. Just Royalty Princess for educational TV show, Best Emerging Female Child TV Personality, Kayla Martinez C. Timbol. Asia's Royalty Princess for educational TV show. Asia's Royalty King for TV, movie and commercials direction, Direct June Miguel.
Bawat saglit at sandali, magsikap ka't magpunyagi, maging aral bawat mali. Sana'y huwag mo itap dahil lang sa Ngayon